Hello, Jeffrey Broger here with STEEZY.Digital and RealNurture.io. I have shot a lot of video in my social media life. For the last 10 years, I've been a content creator, and I find that the number one thing in online video that is lacking today is the audio. A lot of people have these amazing phones with amazing cameras, but many times when you're listening to video, the audio isn't as good if it's more of a do-it-yourself type of video. So I have found some of the best kits out there and narrowed it down to just one easy, simple link that you can click and purchase for under $200 a mobile video kit. It will leverage the amazing video quality of your phone, but enhance the stability of the video, giving you a tripod. And then it will also include a microphone with a little muffler for the wind if you're outdoors. It also includes a little LED light. So that way you can kind of control the lighting or adjust the lighting and make sure that your face is nice and lit up and you don't have those dark shadows over your eyes or under them right here. And the video will be crisp with good audio. So click below, check it out. I highly recommend it. And this one small investment under $200 will totally level up your video and all of the content that you create. That way it can be captured in the best light with the best audio, and you can actually get your message out to the world in a clear way. I hope this helps. Thank you so much, and take care.